Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. On today's menu, guys, we are going to be making stovetop curry beef stew. This curry beef stew, guys, is perfect for the cold weather. Tender beef is simmered in beef broth with potatoes and onions until melt in your mouth tender. Guys, you can make this stew in the slow cooker, oven, or stovetop. Either way, in 2 simple steps, you will have a warmy and wonderfully flavorful meal. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. We're gonna start by seasoning our cube steaks with salt and black pepper. We're gonna also add in curry powder, we're gonna also add in garlic powder and paprika. Massage the seasonings into the steak and our meat is ready to be seared. Get a large Dutch oven pot heating over high heat with 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Then we're gonna sear the meat until brown, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Stir the meat to cook the parts which are still pink inside. As soon as the meat is well browned, we're gonna go ahead and add chopped onions. Continue to sear the meat and the onions for 4 to 5 minutes until the onions are soft and translucent. Add 4 cups of water and stir well. Now we're gonna cover this with the lid and let it cook for 1.5 hours. Now add tomato paste. The tomato paste, guys, will help to thicken the mixture and create a deeper color. Stir well, then cover with the lid and cook until the beef broth has reduced to half. Add the potatoes to the stew pot. Note that the bigger your potato chunks, the longer they will take to cook. Stir the potatoes and check for doneness. Once the potatoes are fork tender, your stew is ready to be served. I serve mine with rice and beetroot. I love beetroot, guys. Consider subscribing, like the video, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so we stay connected. Okay, guys. I've been getting a lot of questions. Most of my lovely subscribers, they want to know where I'm from. So I replied to some to tell them I'm from Botswana. Only 2 knew where Botswana is and the rest don't even have a clue, never heard of my country. So guys, what I did, I asked my daughter who lives at Botswana to start vlogging about Botswana. She will be showcasing the lifestyle, the culture, and the food. So she started her channel yesterday, guys. I'll leave the link for the channel. Go check it out. Please give her some loving, subscribe, like, and share her videos with your friends and your family. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.